Hello, and welcome to the Terpene Institute. My name is Drew, owner of MrExtractor.com. Now, my company was the first company to introduce cannabis terpene profiles to the cannabis industry, and our terpenes are now in millions of products all around the country. I've created the Terpene Institute because people wanted just a simple, common sense understanding of how to make money in the cannabis industry, and who better to take it from than a person who's made millions in the cannabis industry. Now, I'm going to be the first to tell you, I don't have a doctorate, I don't have any degrees, I never went to college, and I barely finished high school. But I'll tell you what I did do. What I did was I created an entire industry from nothing. I've never taken any investors, I've never borrowed any money, and I did it all out of my house. And today, I'm going to teach you how to do it yourself. So, first lesson. One of the things that I always tell everybody is if you take advice from anybody, you better pay close attention to who they are and where they are in life, because that's who you're going to become. Now, you can go to college and you can go learn from professors, but your professor probably drives a Volvo and makes as much as in a year that I make in a week. That's the difference between them and I can teach you how to do the same thing I'm doing. Go into the Terpene Institute, take a look at all the videos that we have, learn something. I'm going to give you the straight up honest truth about everything that I know. Hopefully you can make it as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the other videos.